Alright, in this quick video we're going to do a single day market replay just to show you guys the IFVG Bot in action here on NinjaTrader 8. So I'm just going to play one day here. It's going to be March 4th. You can go market replay this day for yourself using our master settings. Of course, in the how-to videos I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make sure you get the proper market replay data, how to run the market replay data versus historical data, which you can see here. We're running the market replay. It's going to give you the most accurate results. And we're going to go run this bot for a single day. I'm going to make the speed a little bit faster here because I don't want this to be a long video. And we're going to run it for March 4th. Now keep in mind I'm on Pacific time zone settings. This bot is scheduled to start trading after 6:40 a.m. So it'll start tracking out the inverse fair value gaps, which you can see are identified by these blue dashed lines. If we get an inverted fair value gap, it'll enter into a trade and it'll use a dynamic stop loss and take profit. Right? So here we're targeting 2 to 1. This one obviously was only able to put one contract in, so even though I had a $300 risk, it wasn't able to put enough contracts down based on the stop loss size, so only lost 200 there.
Order submitted.
Here we got 3 micros in, again targeting a 2 to 1, so if this does hit, we will get hopefully close to a $600 profit. It might be closer to 4 or 5, depending on how many contracts there are. It'll never risk more than $300 risk per trade, right? So that means sometimes it could be less. So there we made, whatever that difference was. Can't do the quick math there, sorry, but obviously you can pause the video and do it yourself. And you'll see it's just tracking gaps, right? Gaps have to be a certain size. If it's too small, it will ignore the gaps. It'll look for the most recent gap to trade. If we do get the gap entry, it'll take it. It's not going to be a 100% win rate, but with the risk reward, you'll see that we will get some pretty decent performance out of it. So there's a nice little gap. Stopped out.
Order submitted.
Hopped into a short. Obviously it looks like shorts are the play on this day.
Order canceled.
There we go. And like there, you could be done for the day. Hey, you caught your wins, you're out. Right? And maybe you don't want to take longs because it looks like it's a bearish day. Or maybe here comes our macro reversal. And if it does invert this one, you want it to go long. Let's see if we get it. There we go.
Order submitted.
Let's see if it can climb up for us. And keep in mind with the bot, right, if you're in this trade, you can adjust your own stop losses. You can adjust your own take profits. Obviously, with 2 micros on here, you could scale one out if you got to a 1-to-1 here on NinjaTrader 8. So you could say, hey, let me scale out here. Let me consider going break even. I see this as a resistance zone. That's all stuff you can do manually. But obviously, when you run the test with the back test, you're going to want to stick to the settings to allow the bot to be the bot. Let the bot trade. We'll see if we can get the breakout above this little zone here. If not, then it'll probably stop out and go back to the low of days. Let's see if we can get a dub. And again, 2 micros here. So could you scale out one at break even if you don't like how it's going? Sure. I mean, you have the time to be able to do this. This is on 1000x speed on a 1-minute time frame here in the micro NASDAQ. So even though, yes, it is a 100% algorithmically controlled strategy, you can still do your own manual overrides. You could scale into this. You could add a position if you think, hey, this is going to be a good entry. Or here you could be like, all right, I'm done. Or hey, you survived. Boom, we just get another inverted bearish fair value gap. Let me scale in. Screw it, I'm going in. Completely up to you. Obviously, the whole point of algorithmic trading is to let the algorithms do their thing, let the proven edge play out. And if you get the wins, you get the wins for the day. If you don't, move on, right? Trading's not all 100% winning days. So let's see how it plays out here. Let's see if we can get the win. We got close on that one. Let's see if we can speed this up just a little bit. Hopefully this doesn't override and speed it up. There we go. And even here, right, you could say, hey, I'm happy with that. I don't want it to reverse on me. And
order canceled.
Nice. So we're up 858. You could be done for the day right there. Or now that you've got a cushion, play with some house money, see if you can get a little more. Are you going to get a short here? Looks like it. Let's see. Nope.
Order submitted.
There we go. Let's see if it dumps out.
Order canceled.
Nope, stopped out. So 550 for the day.
Order submitted.
Try the shorts again.
Order canceled.
Ooh, 280 for the day. Is he going to try it again? Let's see. All right, so now the highs are taken.
Order submitted.
There we go. Let's see if we can get
Order canceled.
Nice. So, and now you can see the green window's done. We are out for the day, no more trades. And you end the day with $1,069 in profit. There's a funny number for you guys. So, that's the IFVG bot in a nutshell. It's exactly how it's going to trade. Now, you can adjust the settings. We go over that in the how-to videos, but hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions, let us know. Keep in mind, you can try this bot for free, completely for free, for 7 days. You can run your own back tests. You can run your own market replays. You can run your own strategy analyzers. You can tweak and optimize your settings. Maybe you want to trade on a different instrument and you think you know an IFVG setup that'll work. Feel free to go at it. Let us know if you have any questions. You can hit us up on social media, on our website, through our Discord, or right through WAP. With that being said, IFVG Bot's been an absolute beast for the last 15 months running. So if you've got any questions on it, let us know. Hope you guys get it. Hope it helps you guys print some money and put some cash into your pockets. Cheers.